Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Junior Benz. So in this video, I'll be showing you my actual experience flying with Wizz Air, because you might be wondering bakit or why is it so cheap getting their flight. So actually, my observation, they have a great plane. I mean, they have new one with a comfortable seat. It was just wala silang monitor in their seats, but the space for your seat is a comfortable one. And malinis yung kanilang plane. So, okay lang naman siya in my experience. Ito yung ating pinakamurang sinakyan. Actually, 1 real lang to guys. 1 real. Itong trip natin to Riyadh. Ang points lang ang ginamit ko dito around 100 plus. Pero ang pera na ginamit ko dito is 1 real. So, pupuntang Riyadh to guys. Yan yung mga tao dito. Flying with Wizz Air. Papuntang Riyadh. Ito pala yung airport nila guys. Ayan, 11 AM kami nag-flight. Yung mga bagay ko, i-deliver na nila. Kahit minsan malaki din naman siya. Normal lang. So, flying Wizz Air. Maganda naman siya guys. Medyo spacious. Tapos wala akong kasama. Pero wala silang free food. Kasi nga mura lang. Tapos maganda na yung airplane nila. Malinis. Maganda naman. Hindi naman siya. Parang isipin mo na lang yung para siyang Cebu Pacific.